Hello children, Sai Ram. Welcome back to Social Studies class. Children, as you all know that this is our revision week, and for SS we already completed 2 sessions on chapter number 5 as well as chapter number 18, right? Today we will begin with revision session 3, and which is very important session. Okay, in this session we will discuss about the paper pattern of social studies subject. We will even discuss what kind of questions will be coming for your online exam, and we will also discuss about how to go about during your exams. Children, before we begin, let me remind you one thing which I already told you in the previous revision sessions, that you have to read 2 lessons. Okay, that means you have to read the textbook thoroughly, as all the questions will be based on your textbook content. Okay, no outside questions will be asked. Okay, so read the textbook. Now we will begin with the paper pattern. Okay, and here is our paper pattern for FA2 online exam. So here we have the first head question, that is, click the correct option to fill in the blanks. Okay, I repeat, click the correct option to fill in the blanks. So children, your question will be asked and there will be 4 options, and you need to click on the correct option. Okay. Now the second head question here we have is, state true or false by clicking the correct option. Okay. State true or false by clicking the correct option. Here the statement will be given, children. Okay, and you have to identify whether the statement is true or false. If you don't understand, read the statement twice, thrice till you understand it. Okay, and then you have to click on the correct option, that is true or false. 2 options will be given. If the statement is true, click on true. If the statement is false, then you can click on false. Okay. Coming to the next head question. Here we have is, click the correct option. Okay. So this is a kind of name the following. Okay. So here 2 options will be given to you. Okay, 1 question and 2 options. So you need to click on the correct option. Okay, click the correct option. Fine. Next here we have is, click the correct option to the given questions. Okay, here question will be asked and 3 options will be given to you, A, B and C, and you need to again click on the correct option. Okay, click the correct option to the given questions. Done. I'll read again all the questions, children. Number 1, click the correct option to fill in the blanks. Next, state true or false by clicking the correct option. Next, click the correct option. Okay. And the last head question here we have is, click the correct option to the given questions. Okay. Now here we have the first head question, that is click the correct option to fill in the blanks. And for one question we have 4 options. Okay. So I want even you to read along with me. Number 1. The dash passes through northern DRC. And the options are here. A. Arctic Circle, B. Equator, C. Tropic of Cancer, and D. Tropic of Capricorn. So children, which is the correct option? Yes, option B is correct. So what you need to do, you just have to click on B, that is equator. Okay children, so neither you will write anything nor you will type anything in the blank. You just need to click on the correct option. Okay, now let's proceed further. Number 2. One of the main items that European traders bought from India was dash. And the options are A. Furniture, B. Jewelry, C. Arms, and D. Spices. Okay, so tell me the correct answer children. Yes, the answer is D. Spices. What you need to do is click on D option. Okay. Next. Number 3. The longest river of DRC is dash. Option A. Nile River. Option B. Narmada River. Option C. Ganga River. And option D. Congo River. Yes. Children, what is the correct answer? Yes. Option D is the correct answer. That is Congo River. So the longest river of DRC is Congo River. Okay. Number 4. The rumors spread among the soldiers that the cartridges were greased with the fat of dash. I'm sure children, before reading the options you are ready with the answer, isn't it? Okay, so let me read the options. That is A. Elephants and giraffes, B. Dogs and goats, C. Cows and pigs, and D. Cats and rats. Yes children, what is the correct option? Yes, it's option C. Okay. The rumors spread among the soldiers that the cartridges were greased with the fat of cows and pigs. Now we will switch to the next head question, that is straight true or false, by clicking the correct option. And here we will continue with the same numbers. Okay, so fill in the blanks we completed with 4, and here we will continue with 5. Most people in DRC live in cities. Children, is this statement correct or incorrect? Do you remember? Most people in DRC live in cities or villages? Yes, most people in DRC live in villages, that is in rural areas. So the given statement here is false. So what you need to do? You have to see A is true or A is false. Okay, A is true over here. So B is false. So we will click on B. Clear? Next. Number 6. Read along with me, children. The Indian farmers were forced to grow cotton and indigo to sell to the factories in Britain. Children, is this statement correct or incorrect? That is true or false? Yes, Indian farmers were forced to grow cotton and indigo. So this statement is true. And where are we going to click? Yes, A is false. So we will not click on A. We will click on B because B is true. Okay, we will click on B. Next, number 7. The pygmies are tall in height. Children, recall, are the pygmies tall in height? No, this statement is incorrect. Okay, so A here we have is true and B is false. So the pygmies are not tall in height, they are in fact short. So this statement is false and you need to click on B, that is false. Okay. Next, here we will switch to the next head question, that is click the correct option. Number 8 will continue. Okay. The first European to find the sea route to India. I'm sure, children, that you are aware of the answer. A is Albert John and B is Vasco da Gama. So which is the correct option here? Option B is correct. So here this is a kind of name the following. So we will be having only 2 options. You need to select the correct option here out of 2. Okay. So the first European to find the sea route to India is Vasco da Gama, option B. Next, number 9. Vegetation consisting of grasslands with short trees. What is it called as, children? The vegetation which consists of grasslands with the short trees are called as A option is B, savanna. A option is savanna and B option is desert. So which is the correct one, children? Yes, A is the correct option. So you need to click on A, savanna. Number 10. The state in which Battle of Plassey took place. In which state, children, the Battle of Plassey took place? A is Bengal and B is Hyderabad. Yes, A is the correct option, that is Bengal. So you need to click on option A. Next, here we have the next question, head question. This is the last one, children. Click the correct option to the given questions. Number 11. In the part of DRC near equator, it rains dash. And here in these questions we will be having 3 options, A, B and C. You need to click on the correct option. A is during the rainy season, that is June to September. B option is does not rain at all as it is very hot. And C option is almost every day throughout the year. So children, which is the correct option? Yes, in the part of DRC near equator it rains. C is the correct option, that is almost every day throughout the year. Next question. Number 12. The British made unjust laws through which dash. You have to complete the statement here. Through which, option A, they could take control of more and more kingdoms in India. Option B, they could sell their machine-made goods in India. Option C, they could solve the problems of the Indians. So children, which is the correct option? Yes, it's option A. That is, they could take control of more and more kingdoms in India. Okay. Now here we have the last question, that is question number 13. The dash traded with India about 500 years ago. And here are the options: Germany, French and China. So who traded with India about 500 years ago? Yes, it's B, that is French. The French traded with India about 500 years ago. Okay. So children, do the practice and read the textbook thoroughly. Okay. And wish you a good luck for your online FA2 exam. Okay. Bye. Take care.